Here's some Rosie the Riveter trivia. Subscribe. What iconic figure represents female workers during WWII? Is it A. Marlene Dietrich, B. Betty Draper, C. Wonder Woman, or D. Rosie the Riveter? The correct answer is D. Rosie the Riveter. Who painted the famous poster of Rosie the Riveter? Is it A. J. Howard Miller, B. Maxfield Parrish, C. Norman Rockwell, or D. Picasso? The correct answer is A. J. Howard Miller. What slogan is associated with Rosie the Riveter? Is it A. We can do it, B. Fight for freedom, C. Yes we can, or D. Join the fight? The correct answer is A. We can do it. In which year was the Rosie the Riveter poster created? Is it A. 1935, B. 1944, C. 1940, or D. 1942? The correct answer is D. 1942. In what country did Rosie the Riveter become a symbol? Is it A. Canada, B. United States, C. United Kingdom, or D. Australia? The correct answer is B. United States. What iconic hat does the character commonly wear? Is it A. Beanie, B. Bandana, C. Fedora, or D. Cowboy hat? The correct answer is B. Bandana. Which U.S. state has a statue dedicated to Rosie the Riveter? Is it A. Florida, B. Texas, C. Illinois, or D. California? The correct answer is D. California. What was the primary demographic of women represented by Rosie? Is it A. Elite professionals, B. Upper class, C. Middle class, or D. Working class? The correct answer is D. Working class. Which historical event prompted the rise of Rosie the Riveter? Is it A. The Great Depression, B. World War II, C. The Cold War, or D. The Vietnam War? The correct answer is B. World War II. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.